me, Mario.
Oh, wow! That's such a great example of a symbiosis. More specifically, mutualism. A fennec fox and a red fox coexisting and helping each other to pull up a gun. Both benefit from this and are both happy coexisting on this. Mamma mia! The consumer would lose 10% of the energy that the ice cream holds because of the food pyramid and the way energy transfers. Look at how the producer gives the energy to the consumer.
Oh
Let's take a closer look at this important organelle. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell and generates energy or the ATP through a process called a cellular respiration. This equation is here. This means that a cell breaks down glucose in the presence of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy in the form of ATP. Yahoo! Which is then used to power the cell and other organelles so that it all function and survive. Oh wow! The nucleus. The nucleus is the most important organelle in the cells. It acts as the control center and houses genetic material. It even regulates cell growth and activity. It also houses the nucleolus, which produces ribosomes. In addition, ribosomes are another super important organelle. They play a vital role in protein synthesis and convert genetic information into functional proteins. Wow! It's a vacuole. Vacuoles are found in both the plant and animal cells, but plant cells tend to have one large central vacuole that stores water, nutrients, waste, and ions. Oh no! I can't get out! The cell wall is too strong. The cell wall's primary function is to provide structure, support, and protection for the cell. The cell wall is also essential for growth and maintains thermal pressure, which helps the plant stand upright. I wonder why the child looks so very different from his parents. He seems to be right in the middle. I wonder why. Let's take a look at this. This is called incomplete dominance within genetics. This is when the offspring show a blended phenotype rather than the dominant trait or recessive alone. This is unlike complete dominance, where one trait completely overshadows the other, likely the dominant trait. The classic example of this is in stepchildren, where the red and white flower produce a pink offspring. This happens when neither allele can mask the other. Oh no! They were after me! Oh, what do I do? Evolution is an adaptation to be able to survive the conditions that are no longer suitable to sustain and contain life properly to avoid extinction. Evolution happens over many generations and is a gradual process of changing inherited traits to be better suited to the environment the individual or animal surround themselves with. The best example of this Darwinian theory is with the Galapagos or Darwin's finches, since they show remarkably quick evolution, shown in as little as 2 or 3 generations. So if there were bigger seeds, the finches would evolve to have bigger beaks to eat the seeds, and if seeds were small, the finches would have smaller beaks to fit the food.
Bye-bye.